He is wearing cap and feeling happy. He is wearing cap and feeling happy. She is measuring her height. She is measuring her height. 3 happy boys are running together. 3 happy boys are running together. He is happy with having vegetables and fruits. He is happy with having vegetables and fruits. Kid is wearing buttoned shirt. Kid is wearing buttoned shirt. She is wearing raincoat with umbrella. She is wearing raincoat with umbrella. She is reaching for a star. She is reaching for a star. She is feeling toothache. She is feeling toothache. Children are planting the tree together. Children are planting the tree together. She is happy and feels self-love. She is happy and feels self-love. She is baking in the kitchen. She is baking in the kitchen. She is pushing cart full of grow cries. She is pushing cart full of grow cries. Please do not steal the money from wallet. Please do not steal the money from wallet. She is smelling beautiful flowers. She is smelling beautiful flowers. They are playing jumping the rope. They are playing jumping the rope. She is cooking eggs in frying pan. She is cooking eggs in frying pan. She is happily working on the laptop. She is happily working on the laptop. She is carrying the shopping bags. She is carrying the shopping bags. She is happy and holding wallet full of money. She is happy and holding wallet full of money. They are enjoying the road trip. They are enjoying the road trip. He is drinking water at the table. He is drinking water at the table. She is eating meal on time. She is eating meal on time. They are lovely hugging their parents. They are lovely hugging their parents. He is standing near the large tree. He is standing near the large tree.